Are you hosting a party or a get-together at home and wondering how to impress your guests? You can now take it up a notch by this restaurant or hotel-like dining table setup. Hello everyone, welcome to Design Cafe Guides by yours truly, Ananya Jois. Aren't we all so impressed when we go to a buffet dinner in a 5-star restaurant? Well, I'm here to help you bring that charm to your home, to your dining table setup. Gather all the items, here's the list. You can pause the screen and then come back and try this setup along with me. Here's all the things you need to set up your dinner table like a pro. You could take a screenshot of this and grab all the things you need before we get started. We start off by placing a placemat and then a set of plates. So one small and one large should do the trick. Flowers are just an addition, it's not a must, so that I leave that up to you. And on the bread plate comes the butter knife. On the right side, we keep our spoons and knife. The left hand is what we use for fork, so that comes on the left side of the plate. This is also an easy way to remember where to put what based on which hand we use for what. On top of the plate is for the smaller dessert spoon and fork. Now the glasses. In line with the knife we have the water glass and wine glass in line with the spoon. You can also add a cup and saucer if it's a formal setup. Here you go. Our restaurant/hotel like dining table setup is now complete. With this top class yet easy guide for a dining buffet table setup, you're sure to impress all your guests. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our updates. Until next time, take care. See you all.